Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to the page. Pray that you are doing well guys. So guys, today I'm gonna make some chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh for dinner. So I'm gonna make a salad guys. So tonight I'm not cooking any carb. I'm gonna make a big bowl of salad, chicken salad with broccoli, tomato, cucumber, sweet pepper and cabbage guys. So that's what on the menu tonight. So right now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prep everything, so later on when I'm ready I will just put my chicken to fry. Or guys, you will see what I'm gonna do, how to make the chicken. So right now I'm gonna do the vegetable first because of the chicken, because I have to wash the chicken and all those stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the vegetable first. This is my cabbage. I'm gonna use a piece of this cabbage. Yeah, I'm not gonna put a lot of cabbage guys, so I'm gonna use that small piece. I need a bag to put this in, but I'll catch a bag soon. So guys, just watch the process and what is gonna happen over here. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna prep all these stuff. So I'm just gonna cut up, wash and everything. So guys, how are you guys doing today? Pray that you all are doing well. To my subscribers, thank you so much for watching the videos, for commenting on the videos, and for helping me grow the channel. So guys, if you come across this video, please help the stay-at-home grandma to grow her channel. Right now baby sleeping, and so I'm gonna prep everything before he gets up. The thing is guys, I heard that YouTube is increasing how much watch time you need, how much subscriber you need to grow your channel. Guys, you know I'm gonna use the broccoli leaf. These look healthy, so I'm gonna use them in the salad. So guys, I heard that someone was saying that YouTube increasing the watch time and all these stuff in monetization. Guys, please help me grow my channel. As I say, I'm a stay-at-home grandma, and so guys, I'm trying to make my time useful. I just want to big up Cola Cement, my inspiration for inspiring me, because I started this cooking channel before and I quit. I didn't delete the channel, but you know, I wasn't putting up anything because I put up the stuff, nobody viewing it. But then, you know, I started to watch Colas, and as he said, never give up, just keep things going. So I said, all right, let me start again, and I must be grateful. People watching the videos, you know, I could see that people really watching the videos, and I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, for not only watching, but you are commenting and you are liking the videos. So guys, don't only view the channel, the videos, watch the videos guys, watch them to the end. So guys, now I'm just gonna cut these into 4, because as I say, I'm gonna steam them. Just steam them or blanch them, and make the salad. So guys, I don't know, I have a child in here don't like vegetable, you know guys. So I think I'm gonna have to put a little rice for him to go with his chicken. And maybe I just, you know, make a little rice guys. Yeah. The thing about it, we won't have any gravy to go with it. So I'm gonna put lettuce and all those stuff. I'm gonna use some chickpeas, some corn, some, you know, the only carb. No, I'm not making no rice, because guys, my rice in the fridge and nobody eating it. So this is it right here. I'm gonna put this in a bowl. Put it in a bowl for later, for blanch it. I'm gonna blanch all the vegetables. Yeah, just blanch them. Yep, blanch. So no rice. No rice. So guys, as I say, I'm just gonna blanch all these vegetables. Yeah. Blanch everything. Just put some boiling water with some salt. Drop them in there. Take them out. And cool them down. And make them ready. Yes, guys, so that's it right there. Some of them too big. Wow, the knife almost touched my finger. So tonight, a chicken and veggie night. Cucumber, guys, I get this cucumber from my garden. So all the stuff that I'm gonna blanch. So I'm gonna use a piece of sweet pepper. Yeah. The only thing we're not gonna blanch, guys, is the cucumber and the tomato. So that's a red pepper right there. We're gonna put a piece of orange pepper. I'm gonna use that part for another day cooking. So guys, if you're still watching the video, please comment. Comment. Put your notification bell on, guys, so when I upload a video, you will receive it. And my guys, please watch the videos. Please watch the video to the end. This piece I'll use it. So guys, this thing that I'm doing is the first time I'm gonna do this. I saw it on Instagram, but I'm gonna put my own twist to it because everything I'm using is not what they put in their salad. Alright, I'm gonna wash off and come back to cut up the cucumber. Cut up the cucumber. I'm going to use all of these cucumbers. Okay, so I have them for a while and I don't want them to spoil. So this one I'm cutting up first. This one I got from my garden. Yeah, I got it from my garden. So guys, I'm going to keep the skin on the cucumber. So all I'm going to do is cut these up and wash them right here. Wash them. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, put your notification bell on. So when I upload a video, guys, you will receive it. Please support, guys. Support the channel. Support the page, guys. Drop in the comment section what you learned from my videos. Okay, guys, so now all my vegetable that I'm gonna blanch is ready. My tomato and my sweet pepper and my cucumber. Those guys I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna wash everything and cover them up to drain until it's time to cook. I'm gonna put corn in there also. I have 2 cans of corn. So I have 2 cans of sweet corn that I'm gonna put in there. But I'm not gonna do the corn as yet, guys, until later when it's time to put the salad together. So now, guys, I'm gonna go wash these, and after I wash them, I'm gonna come back and do the chicken. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna wash these, and so wash them and cover to strain off the water. Wow, guys, it has spilled. No. All right, let's see. Yeah, just strain off the water. And there you go, all washed. So I'm gonna cover this up and put it down for later so that I can blanch them. So all right, so this is washed. So now I'm gonna do the sweet pepper. Rinse off the sweet pepper and the tomato. Strain it off. Yeah. Okay. Strain off the water. There you go, guys. And next thing I'm gonna wash is the cucumber. So I'm gonna rinse off the cucumber. So guys, right here I'm just prepping everything so that later when I'm ready, I just put everything in the bowl. So right here, I just put everything right here in the bowl. And now we're gonna go do the chicken, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna do the chicken. So this is boneless chicken thigh. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take off all the fat. So I'm gonna use my scissors to cut off the fat because it's boneless. So I just cut off the fat. Where I can use the knife, I use a knife. Take off all the fat. So guys, don't eat your meat with the fat. Always take out the fat out of your meat. Cut off all the fat, guys. Take out all the fat. So let me put this right here. But this is a cutting board I use for meat. So we have different color cutting board. So that's me over there. Guys, when I do meat, I cut out the vein. Yeah, I cut out the vein. I pull out the vein. I cut out the fat. Right there. As much as you know you can get out, cut out as much of the fat as you can. Guys, I didn't get the bowl. Well, I have a file pan. I could season up the meat in. You just cut off the bone, guys, the meat, the fat, guys. So if you're still watching, comment, subscribe, share, put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will get it, guys. Oh guys, I wasn't supposed to be cutting this yet. I forget I'm gonna put it in a different. Oh no, I'm not supposed to be cutting this as yet. All right, no, it's not time to cut them yet, guys. cut off the fat, guys. Cut off all the fat off your meat. See? Just put it on your cutting board and pull off the fat. Pull out the vein. Where is the vein? I don't like to taste the vein in my mouth. So I always cut out the vein. Right here. You just push the knife through and cut out the fat. There you go. Yes, guys, if you're still watching, comment, subscribe, share, put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video, you will get it, guys. Okay, guys, so now I finished cleaning the fish, the chicken. So I'm gonna, oh Lord, I'm gonna go wash them. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pour some vinegar on the chicken, and I'm gonna take it to the sink to wash it, guys. So the next time you see me, I will be seasoning up my chicken thigh. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna season up the chicken. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on it, and a little oil. I'm gonna put some Italian herb. Italian herb. Some ginger powder. Oops, that's a lot. Homemade parsley powder. some slap your mama. I don't know why they name it that, guys, but put a little of that. Try not to put too much because I don't want to salt it. Put a little bit of this one. Just a little bit because I don't want to salt my pot. Some garlic powder. Grab me our gloves. And grab our gloves, guys. Oh, I want to put some jerk sauce, guys. Put some jerk sauce on it, so. Grab some jerk sauce. Guys, they taste in Jamaica, they taste the meat to see if it have enough season, but hey, I don't like to do that. A lot of people does that, guys. Taste it if you want more spice. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put some jerk sauce. Not a lot, guys, because I don't want it to be spicy. I'm gonna put some vinaigrette. Oh, the vinaigrette have oil. So when I'm doing it when it's time to cook it, guys, I'm definitely not gonna use any oil. I'm gonna spray the bottom of the skillet with some oil, but that's it because this have enough oil. Enough oil, guys. So now, guys, I'm gonna cover this and let it take, marinate. Gonna make it marinate for a while I'm gonna clean up, and I will back later sometime today to do the rest, because I have an event to go to. I have a charity that I volunteer, so I'm gonna go later. So I'm gonna come back and cook. So guys, if you watch the video to this point, please comment, subscribe, and share. Put your notification bell on to receive more videos. All right, guys, so I'm gonna clean off my counter, put away my seasoning, and wash out my sink and clean up, guys. So see y'all later, guys.